Did you know that Brazilian waxing is evolving into a premium, pain-free, and eco-friendly experience? Imagine a future where advanced technology and luxury skincare come together to redefine smoothness. Stay with us as we uncover the latest innovations in Brazilian waxing designed for those who value quality, comfort, and excellence. Brazilian waxing has transitioned from a basic beauty routine to a refined self-care experience. Originating in the high-fashion world of Brazil, it has become the gold standard for long-lasting silky skin. Over the years, luxury salons and skincare experts have introduced superior waxing techniques, premium wax formulas, and expert aftercare regimens. But the future promises even more. Let's explore what's next. No one enjoys discomfort, especially when it comes to self-care. That's why the latest advancements in Brazilian waxing are focused on minimizing pain and maximizing results. High-end salons now offer state-of-the-art numbing creams, cooling technology, and hypoallergenic waxes infused with soothing botanical extracts like chamomile and green tea. With medical-grade precision, laser-assisted pre-wax treatments are also making the process virtually pain-free. The era of stress-free waxing has arrived. Luxury is about more than just comfort, it's about responsibility. Premium salons are leading the way in sustainability by offering biodegradable waxes, organic skincare products, and cruelty-free formulations. Reusable waxing strips and waste-free packaging are becoming industry standards. As consumers prioritize eco-conscious beauty, the future of Brazilian waxing is aligning with sustainable luxury. A tailored beauty experience is the new standard. High-end salons and beauty brands are offering customized waxing services based on individual skin types, hair textures, and sensitivity levels. AI-driven consultations analyze your skin and recommend the perfect waxing approach, ensuring optimal results with minimal irritation. Imagine a waxing service that understands your needs before you even step into the salon. This is the future of premium self-care. The next generation of Brazilian waxing is here, featuring cutting-edge home waxing devices with AI-powered sensors, personalized waxing subscription kits, and on-demand beauty services for busy professionals. Virtual skincare consultations are making it easier than ever to access expert advice without leaving your home. With luxury, technology, and sustainability at the forefront, the future of hair removal is brighter than ever. Which of these premium waxing innovations are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. If you love staying ahead of beauty trends, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more expert insights. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.